Question number 18. So here we have another question of geometry. A quadrilateral ABCD is inscribed in a circle such that AB is to CD is 2 is to 1, BC is to AD is 5 is to 4, AC and BD intersect at point E, then AE and CE. Okay, let's first draw the circle. Let's say this is the quadrilateral. Okay, it is A, B, C and D, and AB is to CD is 2 is to 1. So if AB is DC is X, then AB is 2X. BC is to AD is 5 is to 4. So if BC is 5Y, then AD is 4Y. AC and BD intersect at point E. So AC and BD intersect at point E. They have asked for the ratio AE is to CE. Okay, so it is going to be a very lengthy question. We will solve it by similarity. Let's see angle ADB. This angle is equal to angle ACB. Angle on same segment AB. So angle ADB is equal to angle ACB. Angles on same segment AB. Then angle CAD, this angle is equal to angle CBD. Angle angle CAD, this one, angle CAD is equal to angle CBD. Again, angle on same segment, that is DC. Let's move further. Angle BEC, this angle is equal to angle AED, this angle. They both are vertically opposite. So from here we will conclude triangle DAE is similar to triangle CBE. Triangle DADAE is similar to triangle CBE. So from here we will get DA by CB is equal to AE by BE is equals to DE by CE. So we have DA 4Y, CB 5Y, and it will be equal to AE by BE equal to DE by CE. So this ratio is 5 is to 4. Let's say AE is equals to 4K, BE is equals to 5K, DE is equals to 4Z, CE is equals to 5Z. Let's move further. Now angle DCA, this angle DCA is equal to angle ABD. Again on the same segment, angle DCA is equal to angle ABD on the same segment, that is AB, and angle BDC is equals to angle CAB. Again on the same segment, angle DEC is equals to angle AEB. AEB is equals to angle DEC. Vertically opposite. So from here we will conclude triangle DCE is similar to triangle ABE. From here we will get DC upon AB is equals to CE upon BE is equals to DE upon AE. So we know that DC is equals to X, AB is equals to 2X is equals to CE is 5Z and AE is from here 4K. Sorry, BE is 5K. From here Z upon K is equals to 1 by 2. So AE upon CE. AE is equals to 4K and CE is equals to 5Z. AE upon CE will be 8 by 5. So our answer is option 1. It was very lengthy. Let's move to the next question.